Students who engage in research opportunities at a university are situating themselves at a frontier where they're learning new things, they are pushing the envelope, and as an undergrad you can do that.
My project is focused on identifying the holistic wellness needs of Indigenous students at Queen's and seeing where there might be barriers or ways to improve them for the delivery on campus. So I was looking for a summer research opportunity, and my supervisor and I discovered the Undergraduate Summer Student Research Fellowship, so that provided kind of the structure I needed to work on that project over the summer.
In my third year, I reached out to a professor that I really admired in one of my courses and volunteered in her lab a little bit. Luckily now I'm doing an independent research project with the Dr. Posvit lab in my fourth year, looking at SFRP and melanoma cells. Over the summer, I was part of the QGEM team, the Queen's Genetic Engineering Machine team, that I was involved in through the Summer Work Experience program, and that gave me the opportunity to go to an international conference in Paris, France, where Queen's won gold. The Queen's Genetic Engineering team really helped me figure out how research can be impactful in local areas. We did a lot of looking at how the community will impact our project and how our project can impact the community.
My research internship as a lab tech for the Skeletal Observation Lab includes helping out a bunch of students with their own research, and I also do research in the wrist joint as well. I want to make an impact on people's lives, and I didn't know how to do that before this position, but then after, I was able to narrow down exactly what I want to do to help people's lives later.
While studying at Bader College, I assisted in a research project involving sympatric speciation and reproductive isolation in species of sea urchins from the Indo-Pacific. I learned about the research position through my professor at Bader College. I knew he was an accomplished marine biologist and he had done a ton of research in the past. I simply asked him if he had any future opportunities for undergraduate students, and he offered that I come back to Bader College in the summer and conduct research with him. I was honored to be a part of a research project that aimed to help conservation efforts of sea urchins. The urchins that we were studying have a sister species of urchin who were experiencing a massive die-off in the oceans. So by studying reproductive mechanisms in our species, we were able to help inform conservation efforts.
Student engagement in research, as articulated in the Queen's strategy, is one of the stronger examples of a high-impact learning practice. It forges a path for teaching, research, and learning to come together because of their shared underlying principles of discovery, creativity, and curiosity.